Friends, we're here at Memorial Bridge, Richmond Riverfront. Ang ganda rito sa lugar na to. Iikutin natin to. Ito yung makasaysayan nilang lugar dito sa Richmond Riverfront. Napakaganda pero meron silang naganap at isang makasaysayan dito noong April 1865, the evacuation and burning Richmond. Ginamit to na tawiran nung panahon na yon na nagkakagera, war. So very important this place and very historical. Ang ganda ng bridge, tsaka yung ilog, yung river is very wide river, and the river and the bridge is made from steel. Ayan, ang lawak ng lugar at ang lakas ng agos ng river. Napakagandang lugar dito, yan sa Virginia. Ayan, pati yung mga building na ginamit o pinangyarihan ng mga during war that 1865. Pero ngayon, naging tourist spot na, naging pasyalan na. Okay, we're going home now to take a rest and then tomorrow travel again. Thank you.